Good morning. Hello. Xin chào. Happy Friday. It was nice to see you again. Hey, Kang. How are you today? How are you today? Kang?
Now,
How are you today? What happened? How are you, my dear? Hello. How are you? How are you today, my dear? How are you? What's that? How are you? What? Can you please louder your voice, my dear? How are you? How are you? Very good. You're fine. What did you do? Or did you eat your breakfast, my dear? Did you eat your breakfast? Why? Are you sure? You are not eating your breakfast? Are you sure? Are you sure? Did you didn't eat your breakfast? Hmm? Did you drink your milk or eating some bread? My dear, did you eat?
eating bread.
Did you eat your breakfast? Or
Yes,
very good. So what did you eat, my dear?
I eat bread.
Wow,
Bread?
I eat bread and anything else?
Bread?
That's all that you eat? You eat a little bread, my dear? How's your school, my dear? How's your school? Did you have a homework, my dear? Did you have your homework? Do you have a homework, my dear? Huh? Did you have your homework? Hello. Are you there, Kang? Did you have a homework?
No.
Oh. Can you say, I don't have a homework? Can you say that, my dear? I don't have a homework. Can you say this?
I don't have to.
Very good. I don't have a homework. So, what did you do before our class? What did you do for our class, my dear? Are you playing a games? I don't have. Very good. You don't have a homework. How about what did you do before our class? How about this one, my dear?
Bạn đã làm gì trước khi đến lớp học của chúng tôi?
What did you do before our class?
I don't do
Ah, okay. Can you please say, I don't do anything? Can you say that?
I don't do anything.
Yes, very good. So, are you ready for our class for today? Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, I will share my screen to you. Here. Okay, can you see my screen, my dear? Did you see the screen? Hmm? Can you see my screen, my dear? Okay, can you see the screen? Hmm? Okay. Can you please match the words with the pictures? How about number one? What is letter is this? Number one. Can you please read this one, my dear?
Can you fit my glasses?
Yes. Can you fetch my glasses? So what is this letter that we match for the pictures? Letter? This one, my dear. Can you fetch? Yes. How about number two? Can you please read this
D.
one?
Don't forget the key.
Yes, very good. Letter A. How about number three? Can you please read this one? Can you,
B.
okay, can you please read first and then
Sit
you have to
on the
answer?
bus at the bus stop round the corner.
Yes, very good. How about number four?
Number 4. Get off the bus at the supermarket.
Oh, so what is the answer? Very good. Get off means this letter C. And then get on letter B. Okay, all right. Very good, my dear. How about number five?
Could you put the letters, please?
Very good. So what's is the match word with the pictures? So what is the match? Very good. How about number six? Can you please read this one?
Remember to turn the shot.
Can you please say this one?
Remember to turn the shot.
Shorts.
Shot.
Very good. Very good, my dear. You got a perfect score. Good job. All right. Very good, my dear. Good job. All right. You will have to ask. I will have to ask this one, my dear, and then you have to answer these questions with the friend. So, for example, I am your friend, and then I will ask you a questions, and then you have to answer this to me. All right? Okay. How often? Can you please read this one, my dear? Can you please read?
How often?
Very good. So I have a questions here. So how often do you travel to town? The often is used when someone
How
leaves to get an item.
often?
So this one, my
Often do
dear,
you, how
yes,
often do you travel to town? I travel to town twice a week.
yes, very good. How about to your school? How often do you go to your school? What is your answer? Can you please say I go to my school thrice a week. Yes, thrice means three. All right? All right, my dear? All right. If I ask you this, thrice. Thrice, my dear, thrice. Not third. Thrice. Very good. That thrice, it means three, my dear. Thrice, it means three. Okay, my dear? All right, very good. The travel to town is when you go to somewhere in another town, my dear. That is, it means I travel to town twice a week. But I ask you a questions to go to your, how often do you go to school? So it's the same, my dear. So I ask you a different questions. All right, my dear. Second one, how to travel. So, my dear, how do you travel to town?
How do you travel to town? I travel by car.
Very good. I travel by car. How about to your school? How do you travel to your school? Did you travel by a car? If you want to go to town, what is the things that you traveled, my dear? It's a car. It's the same the car, my dear. Yes. It's a yes. How about this one, my dear? Do you ever go to town by a bus?
You
Wow!
ever go to bus? Yes, I
So,
do something.
yes.
Sometimes.
All right. You go to school by motorbike. Wow, motorbike. That's cool. How about this one, my dear? Do you ever go to town by a bus? What is your answer? Do you ever go to town by bus, my dear? Yes, I do sometimes. Yes, I do every day because I live at the... Oh, wow, very good. Good job, my dear. Yes, I do every day. Yes, very good, my dear. All right. How about this one, my dear? What to buy? What do you buy in town? What do you buy in town? What is your answer, my dear? What's that? I buy very think. What's that? Okay, all right. I get it to you, my dear. I buy. Can you say this one? I buy
Bye.
if I want to think something.
To think something.
Something.
I buy everything. Everything.
I buy if I want to think something. Or I buy if I want to think something. All right, very good. Where are you, my dear? Where are you? All right, okay, my dear. Okay. Next one, my dear. Questions. What so buy?
Upes. Upes.
What does your dad buy in town, my dear? What does your dad buy in town? For example, he buys some flowers for my mom. So, what does your dad buy in town? What did he buy?
Bags. What's bag?
Hmm? He buy mini car. Oh, wow. Very good, my dear. Good job. He buy a mini car. He buy, can you please say, he buy, he buy mini car for me. Can you please say that, my dear?
He buys mini car for him.
For me.
For him.
To your brother?
For him.
For him. All right. Okay. For himself. Oh, oh. For himself. All right. Mini car. He buy a mini car for himself. Or for my family. All right. Very good, my dear. Good job. Okay. What's your favorite place in town? What is your favorite place in town, my dear? For example, it's the
It's it is the
the Wow, it's the cinema. Do you like to watch a movie in the cinema? Very good. Good job, my dear. All right. All right. You have to listen again, my dear, and then listen the number places the children need to go. You have to listen carefully, my dear. And then you have to place the number where the children need to go. Okay?
Listening 8. Listen and number the places the children need to go. 1,
Now then, William, I'm very busy today, so will you go to town with Holly and Harry?
Oh, Mum. No.
Yes, William, and listen carefully. This is what I want you all to do. You just need to get on the bus at the bus stop round the corner from the house. There's a bus in 10 minutes. Now, the bus goes straight on past the park and then it turns left at the top of the road. It goes left past the market and there's a bus stop just outside the shopping centre. That's where you need to get off. Do you understand, William?
Yes, Mum. Get off at the bus stop.
Yes.
2,
Now, first, will you go into the shopping centre, please? I want you to change the shorts we bought last week for Harry.
Oh, but Mum, I really like them.
I know you do, Harry, but you need bigger ones. So do that, please.
All right, Mum.
3,
Now then, go back and walk through the market. And when you're there, get Holly some new pyjamas. You need them, don't you, Holly?
Do I, Mum?
Yes, you do. Your old ones are terrible. But be careful, won't you? The traffic's very bad near there.
Don't worry, Mum.
4,
Now then, at the end of the market, turn right and there's a little shop opposite the supermarket. They sell watches and necklaces, things like that. Do you know the place I mean?
Yes, Mum. I think so.
Good. Well, my necklace was broken and they're repairing it for me there. So can you get it for me? You remember that for me, Harry.
OK, Mum.
Well, don't forget, because I really do want to wear it for the party.
5,
Oh, yes. And then I want you to get some soap. Go into the chemist's.
Is that next to the bookshop, Mum?
That's right, William. Well, they've got some lovely lemon soap there. It's a present for Grandma. She's 80 soon, you know. And I need a new brush and comb for Emma.
6,
Now you need to pick up the cake for Grandma's birthday. Can you collect it from the cake shop, please? It's just next to the chemist's.
Yes, Mum.
And be careful with it. Please don't drop it.
OK, Mum.
7,
Now, the post office is next to the cake shop, so I'd like you to post these 3 letters, please. And Holly, will you buy some stamps for me? And I need white envelopes too. Just get them all at the post office when you post the letters.
Anything else, Mum?
Yes, actually.
Oh, Mum.
8,
Well, I need a train ticket. Go to the end of the road and turn right. Then go past the playground and the railway station is just there. I want to go and fetch Grandma for her birthday, so could you buy a train ticket for me, please?
9.
Oh, the playground's very near the railway station, Mum. Can William take us there to play, please?
Sorry, Holly, there isn't time. Now, from the railway station, walk up the road and turn right when you get to the museum. Walk along the road and you'll see the police station.
Oh, I really want to go to the museum and see the dinosaurs, Mum. Can we do that when we've got everything?
No, not today, Harry. There really isn't time.
Oh, Mum!
10.
No, Harry. Now listen. When you've done everything, I'll come and collect you from the car park behind the police station at about 4:30. I don't want you to get the bus home with that cake.
OK, Mum. Right. We're going now. See you.
Oh, and William, don't forget the shopping list.
All right, very good, my dear. Okay, I will. What is the number for this one, my dear? What's that? 5. All right. 2. This one, my dear, this picture is number 2. It's okay. Yes, you switch it. How about number 4? Very good. Good job. How about number 5? Oh, that is chemist, my dear. Very good. Good job. How about this one? 7. Very good. Good job. How about 8? Yes, that is train station. Very good. How about number 9? Yes, very good. That is a... Yes, you switch it. It's okay, my dear. Very good. Good job. How about, did you draw, my dear? Did you draw? Can you please draw a map from your home to school? Make sure that your map is full of details and colors. Just like this, my dear. Oh. This is your home. And then you go home. You to see the middle school. And then, yes. Can I see your drawing?
Tôi nên nhìn này.
That is your home?
No.
What's that?
Cái gì đấy anh?
Oh, your. Yes, very good. Home, and then
Ê,
that's all.
oh,
What's that? Oh, that is your school, and then
Okay.
All right. Wow, that's so cute. Cute. Your drawing is so cute. Very good. Good job. All right, very good, my dear. Very good. All right. All right, my dear. Next. Okay. Holly is talking to her mom. What did children do? What didn't they do? Listen and tick, check, or cross the boxes. William bought something mom didn't ask for. What is it, my dear? Okay, my dear, can you please listen carefully to this? So you have to check what didn't they do and then cross the what did children do, what didn't they do? Listen and think and tick, check, or cross the boxes. Okay, number 1, my dear.
Listening 9. Holly is talking to her mum. What did the children do? What didn't they do? Listen and tick or cross the boxes.
Okay, Holly, tell me about your shopping trip. Did you have a good time?
It was okay, Mum, but I wanted to go to the playground and...
Yes, but did you remember to do everything?
I think so.
Did you get the cake for Grandma's birthday?
Yes, we did. And it's really pretty. Look.
Oh, yes, it's lovely. Well done. And did you change Harry's shorts?
Yes.
And did you get your pyjamas from the market?
No, Mum.
Oh, Holly. Well, did you post the letters for me?
Yes, Mum. Harry did that.
Good. And you got the stamps?
Yes, Mum, but they only had brown envelopes, so we didn't get them.
Oh, dear.
But we did get the brush and comb for Emma. They were very cheap, actually.
Well, I hope they're okay. And the soap? Did you buy that?
No, Mum. They didn't have any lemon soap. And, Mum, we couldn't collect the necklace because the man said it wasn't ready.
Oh, no. But you got my train ticket for me?
Well, no. William found a computer game and he really liked it, so he decided to get it. He said you wouldn't mind. And then we didn't have enough money for the train ticket, and so...
Oh, no. Well, I do mind. I'll have to go to town myself now, and I'm so busy today. Oh, dear.
Sorry, Mum.
All right, my dear, are you ready? Number 10. Okay.
Listening 9. Holly is talking to her mum.
All right. Very good, my dear. Number 2. Holly is, they do that. All right, the soap. She did not do the soap, my dear. How about number 4? Oh, no. It's okay, my dear. How about number 5? Very good. Good job. They do this. Oh, she did not do that. How about, yes, very good. Number 8, very good. Number 9. All right. It's okay, my dear. You almost got a perfect score. It's okay. Shh. Oh, she did not do this. Number 3, number 6, 8, 9, and 7. But she do the number 1. She got a cake. she do a letter, and then she changed the shorts for her brothers, and then she combed, and then that's all. Okay, my dear. William bought something mom didn't ask for. What is it, my dear? He bought what? William bought a computer game. Can you please read this one, my dear?
William bought a computer game.
Yes, very good. All right. Look at the pictures. Find things begin with the letter S and write a list, my dear. How many things did you find? Look at the pictures. How many things did you find? Can you please look at the pictures and then find things begin with the letter S and write a list? Oh. Oh. Oh, no, wait, just waiting. Can you please? For example, this one, my dear, shorts. So that is the things begin with the letter S. How about this one, my dear? How things did you find? For example, this one, shorts. Yes, very good. What is that? Yes. Yes, very good. Another one, my dear. How many things did you find? Another one. What is this, my dear? What's this?
1, 3, 4, 6.
So, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Shoes. 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 Sweater. Yes, that's all. Very good, my dear. Good job. That's all for today, my dear. Thank you. Thank you. That's all for today. See you on next week, Tuesday. Oh, yeah, right, Tuesday. Goodbye. See you on Tuesday. And thank you. Oh, your brothers. What did he do? What did he do, my dear? The shorts, sweater, shoes. That the things that you find with the start of letter S. Okay?